today in this video I am going to explaining for the 8th class children. For 8th class children I am going to explaining some questions from 6th chapter. The name of the 6th chapter is square roots and cube roots. So from this chapter, from exercise number 6.2, that means 6th chapter, second exercise, few sums today I am going to explaining in this video. So up to last, please watch it, and then if you can like this video, please like this video, please share my videos to others, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. And also while you are subscribing the channel, please ring the bell icon also, touch the bell icon also, automatically whenever I will take the video, that notification first you can see. Thank you. So first of all, I will read out the question. That is the first question. Find the square roots of the following numbers by using prime factorization method. This prime factorization method is very important. We have to find out the square roots of the following numbers. Here totally they have to given 4 numbers. 2 numbers I will explain. First Roman. I am going to explain first Roman. First question. That is 441. 441 I am going to explaining. Please listen all of you. By using which method I told? By using prime factorization method. Here we have to start with one table. Which table is possible to cancel this number? That is we have to think. Tables means immediately we have to think second table first of all, and then third table, fourth table, like that we will see. So second table, is it possible or not? We will see. Here if you can observe this number, in this given 3-digit number, last digit is 1. 1 is which number? Odd number. So unit place number is odd number, means the entire number also be odd number. So odd number cannot be divisible by 2. So we should not take the 2. And then 3. Is it possible 3? See, is it possible 3 or not? Possibility there or not, how to verify by 3? 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. The 9 is divisible by 3. So the entire number also divisible by 3. Like that we are by using according to rules, rule of that numbers, particular numbers, we can decide. So 3 table. How many times 3 ones are 3? Remaining 1, 14. 3 fours are 12. Remaining 2, 21. 3 sevens are 21. Okay. Next we got it here 147. 147 also be odd number. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 3 table. 3 fours are 12. Remaining 2, 27. 3 nines are 27. Here we got it 2-digit number, that is 49. So all students they can guess it very easily which table possible. That is which table? 49. 7 sevens are 49. Okay. So therefore you see these all numbers are which type of numbers? Prime numbers. Okay. Already I told in the beginning, by using prime factorization method, prime factors only we want. 3 is a prime factor, 7 also be a prime factor. So therefore 441 is equal to 3 into 3. These 2 numbers, 2 equal factors, make it as a into 7 into 7. Both are 2 equal factors. Now what is the question is, you know already, square root of 441 is equal to. So while you are finding the square root of any number, here we should not take all factors. How to take it means, instead of two equal factors, take one factor. one number only. From these two numbers, because both are same factors, take one factor only, that is 7. So 3 7s are how much? 21. So therefore, the square root of 441 is equal to 21. This is the first one answer. Next, see this. Which question? 3-digit number completed. Now one 4-digit number. That is, I am going to explaining third one. That is 4096. 4096. Find out its prime factors first of all. By using prime factorization method, the square root of 4096 is how much we have to find out. Here, in this 4-digit number, unit place 6 is there. 6 is even number. So entire number also even number. Even numbers, all even numbers should be divisible by 2. So that's why by 2 table we are cancelling. 2 20s are 40, 2 4s are 8, 1 remaining 16, 2 8s are 16. Next, again 8 is there, 8 also even number, again 2 table. 2 10s are 20, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 4 is there, 2 table possible. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 is there, 2 table possible. 2 25s are 50, 12 remaining, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 table possible. 2 12s are 24, 1 is there, 8 times. Again 2 table possible. 2 6s are, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 table possible. 2 32s are 64. Draw the line. Again 2 table possible, 16 times. Again 2 table possible, 8 times. I am continuing here. Again 2 table possible 4 times. Again 2 table possible 2 times. Okay, students. So you see, so much came a big one. Right. Here all numbers 2 only. What are starting to ending by using 2 only, we have to complete this total answer, right? Now therefore 4096 is equal to, how many 2's are there? Count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So write 1 2, this two one group. Next 2 1 2 3 4, 2 groups completed, 3 groups completed, 4 groups completed, 5 groups completed, 6 groups, 6 2s are 12. Already I told here what I said, instead of 2 equal factors we have to take it 1 factor only. From here also like that, here also like the same. From these 2 1 number, from the 2 1 number, from the 2 1 number, from these 2 1 2, from these 2 1 2, from these 2 1 2. So now we have to find out their product. We have to find out their product. So before here what I can write, that is equal to, while you are taking instead of this 2 1 2 we are taking time. Here we can write square root of 4096. So therefore square root of 4096 is equal to, find out 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Okay, students. So square root of 4096 is equal to 64. Okay. Okay, students, like this way you can find out the remaining sums, and like this model example sums are there also be there. Please practice that one, you can get the complete idea about this model. Okay. If you can like this video, please like this video, please subscribe my channel, please share my videos to others, give the support. Thank you.